Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Are you looking for a side hustle that's off the beaten path? If so, you're in the right place. While rideshare driving, dropshipping, and freelancing are popular, there are plenty of untapped opportunities waiting to be explored. Below, we'll dive deep into 10 unique side hustles, explaining how to get started and the potential earnings you can expect. Are you ready? Here we go. Here is the list of 10 unique side hustles no one is talking about yet. 1. Voiceover acting for indie creators. What is it, you ask? Voiceover acting for indie creators involves lending your voice to bring life and personality to their creative projects. Indie creators, often working with limited resources and a passion-driven approach, rely on voice actors to convey emotion, character, and storytelling in their works. These projects can range from indie films, animated shorts, and video games to podcasts, audiobooks, and online content like web series or explainer videos. Here are the steps to get started. Invest in a good microphone, such as the Audio-Technica AT2020. Set up a quiet space for recording. Create demo reels showcasing different voice styles. Join platforms like Voices.com, Fiverr, Upwork, and ACX for audiobooks. What is the monthly earnings potential? Monthly earnings could range from $200 to $3,000 plus, depending on gig frequency and experience. 2. Selling digital coloring books for adults. What is it, you ask? Selling digital coloring books for adults involves creating and offering downloadable collections of intricate and engaging coloring pages tailored to grown-up tastes. These books typically feature themes like mandalas, landscapes, abstract patterns, animals, or inspirational quotes, designed to provide a relaxing and creative outlet. Here are the steps to get started. Use software like Canva, Procreate, or Adobe Illustrator to design intricate patterns. Sell on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Offer themed books, for example, mandalas, landscapes, animals, affirmations. What is the monthly earnings potential? Monthly earnings could range from $300 to $5,000, depending on marketing efforts and niche selection. 3. Flipping pallets of Amazon returns. What is it, you ask? Flipping pallets of Amazon returns involves purchasing bulk pallets filled with returned items from Amazon and reselling them for profit. These pallets can contain a mix of items ranging from electronics and household goods to apparel and toys, often in varying conditions. Here are the steps to get started. Purchase pallets from sites like liquidation.com, Bstock, and Direct Liquidation. Resell items on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and OfferUp. Focus on categories like electronics, tools, and home goods. What is the monthly earnings potential? Monthly earnings could range from $500 to $5,000, depending on inventory and resale strategy. 4. Social media comment moderator. What is it, you ask? A social media comment moderator is responsible for overseeing and managing the interactions and discussions that take place on social media platforms. Their primary role is to ensure that the comment sections remain respectful, safe, and aligned with the platform's guidelines or the organization's policies. Here are the steps to get started. Join sites like Mod Squad, The Social Element, and People Per Hour. Gain experience moderating Facebook groups or Discord communities. Offer services directly to small businesses or YouTubers. What is the monthly earnings potential? Monthly earnings could range from $300 to $2,500, depending on hours worked and employer size. 5. Creating and selling AI-generated art. What is it, you ask? Creating and selling AI-generated art involves using artificial intelligence algorithms or models to produce creative and visually appealing artworks. Artists or creators input ideas, styles, or themes into AI tools, which then process the data and generate unique digital pieces of art. These artworks can range from abstract designs to lifelike portraits, and the process allows creators to experiment with different aesthetics, colors, and patterns. Here are the steps to get started. Learn prompt crafting to generate unique images. Sell prints on Etsy, Redbubble, or Society6. Offer custom art for businesses or authors. What is the monthly earnings potential? Monthly earnings could range from $400 to $4,000 plus, based on niche and marketing. 6. Local tour guide for niche experiences. What is it, you ask? A local tour guide for niche experiences specializes in curating unique and tailored adventures that go beyond the usual tourist attractions. These guides are passionate experts in specific interests, such as local history, culinary arts, hidden natural wonders, street art, vintage shopping, or even ghost hunting. They craft personalized itineraries that connect travelers with offbeat locations, hidden gems, and one-of-a-kind activities that reflect the essence of the area. Here are the steps to get started. Identify a niche and create a compelling experience. Partner with Airbnb Experiences, WeOutOr, or local tourism boards. Market your tour through social media and Google My Business. What is the monthly earnings potential? Monthly earnings could range from $500 to $3,500, depending on location and demand. 7. Renting out your driveway for parking. What is it, you ask? Renting out your driveway for parking involves making your unused or extra driveway space available to drivers who need a place to park. Whether it's for a few hours, days, or on a regular basis, this arrangement allows you to generate extra income while helping others solve their parking challenges. It's especially useful in areas near busy city centers, event venues, airports, or neighborhoods with limited parking options. Here are the steps to get started. List your space on Pavement, Spot Hero, or Curb Flip. Set competitive pricing based on local demand. Offer additional perks like security cameras. What is the monthly earnings potential? Monthly earnings could range from $100 to $1,000, depending on location. 8. 3D printing prototypes for startups. What is it, you ask? 3D printing for prototype startups revolutionizes the way products are developed, tested, and brought to market. This technology allows startups to transform digital designs into tangible objects with remarkable precision and speed. By using additive manufacturing processes, 3D printing builds prototypes layer by layer, offering flexibility to create complex geometries and innovative designs that might be challenging with traditional manufacturing methods. Here are the steps to get started. Invest in a 3D printer, for example, Creality Ender 3, Anycubic Photon Mono. Offer services on Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, or 3D Hubs. Specialize in a profitable niche, engineering, tabletop gaming, etc. What is the monthly earnings potential? Monthly earnings could range from $500 to $4,000, depending on demand and complexity. 9. Writing AI-powered children's books. What is it, you ask? Writing AI-powered children's books is an innovative blend of creativity and technology, where artificial intelligence plays a key role in crafting engaging stories and vibrant illustrations tailored for young readers. This process often begins with an author or creator providing prompts, themes, or character ideas to an AI model, which then generates narratives, dialogues, or visual content based on those inputs. Here are the steps to get started. Use ChatGPT for storytelling and AI art tools for illustrations. Self-publish on Amazon KDP or Etsy, as printable books. Market on social media and book clubs. What is the monthly earnings potential? Monthly earnings could range from $300 to $5,000, depending on book sales and niche selection. 10. Becoming a professional line sitter. What is it, you ask? Becoming a professional line sitter is like turning the art of patience into a career. A professional line sitter is someone who gets paid to stand in lines on behalf of others, whether it's for the latest tech gadget, concert tickets, exclusive events, or even unique food experiences. It's all about providing convenience for clients who value their time more than their spot in the queue. Here are the steps to get started. Advertise services on TaskRabbit, Craigslist, or social media. Specialize in high-demand events, concerts, Black Friday, government offices. Charge per hour or by event. What is the monthly earnings potential? Monthly earning could range from $300 to $2,000 plus, depending on demand. There you have it. These 10 unique side hustles can help you boost your income in unexpected ways. Whether you prefer digital work, in-person gigs, or passive income, there's an opportunity for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to click the like button and hit the notification bell to receive updates on more fun and unique ways to make money.